Ompetha bomhlaba babhekene nembibizane yokulimala komdlalo oyinjini eqenjini uMalcom Marx okuphoqeke ukuthi indawo yakhe kubizwe uAndre Pollard nayo othole ngeqoma ngabahlaziyi bebhola lombhoxo kuleli kanye nezinkakha zamaBhokobhoko.
This is a big game, but if you want to play him in a quarter-final, then you probably need to play him somewhere under pressure as well. So it's going to be a big call. If they bring in Andre, do they put him straight in? Or do you say, Mani, we back you, you've done so well for us, we're going to keep backing you.
Kanti uNick Maletti yena uthi baningi abadlali bekumele bafakwe kule ndawo ngoba bakhona eqenjini abadlali abafana noDian Faru kanye noBonga Imbonambi ngoba bakhombisile emidlalweni wabo neRomania ngesikhathi kwenziwe izinguquko zabadlali abayi15. Umdlalo abazowudlala neIreland ngomgqibelo ufana nowamanqamu.
What you get in terms of contribution outside the hooking speciality of scrummaging and line-out throwing, you're getting fantastic return from Marco and from Dion. It's just my big question mark is anything happens to Bongi in a game, and listen, Ireland is like a final.
Ukuphumuza abadlali abamqoka kungenxa yomdlalo neqembu leqinile iIreland.